Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Today we're working on a 2020 Imagine by Grand Design. So the water heater in this one is in the rear, and the bypass is you have to remove this drawer out just enough to get your hand in there. You can remove it all the way if you want, but we'll go ahead and show you guys here what we do. So on this one, because we're winterizing it, we want to winterize the RV water heater. So to do that, we're going to put it in bypass mode. We've made videos about this, but this is a specific one on Imagine. It's the same. So if your valve is pointing up and down, typically that means this valve is closed. So you want to close the one on the bottom and the one on the top, which we've already done. Let's go down here and look. Now if these valves were in line with the pipe, that would mean that they're not bypassed. Now, where's the bypass? Right here in the middle. See how one side is red and one side is blue? So it's in line. That allows us to pump the entire system full of antifreeze without getting any antifreeze inside the water heater. And that is the purpose of a RV water heater bypass. So now when you went to get ready to use it, you would open this valve and open the bottom valve and close the middle down here. So I know it's kind of hard to see, but this middle valve, you would close it by turning it to the right. This top valve, you would open it by turning it to the left or the right, whichever way it turns for you, but you want it to be in line with the pipe. Same with the old side on the bottom, you would turn it in line with the pipe. So again, this is on an Imagine Grand Design. If your water heater is in the back, most likely the top drawer here, you'll remove it and you'll see your water heater. Hope this video helps somebody out there. Until next time, safe travels and be sure to subscribe.